guys, welcome to Sleeve of the Month, and this month we are talking about Fire Sleeve. Mike, what can you tell me about Fire Sleeve and why it was brought to the market?
So Fire Sleeve is a very unique sleeve. Again, we had customer applications and customer questions about some high temp materials that they were looking for. And so we went back to the drawing board and came up with and discovered the Fire Sleeve.
Okay, and how hot can the Fire Sleeve be rated for?
So intermittently for 3,000 degrees F and about 1,000 degrees continually.
Okay, so that's pretty hot. What exactly is this sleeve constructed of?
So it's got a silicone coating on the outside and then fiberglass weaving on the inside.
Okay, and that's what protects it from the intense heat and fire.
That's
we actually did a video of this last summer.
We did.
We tried to burn money. So check out that video on our YouTube channel if you want to actually see this Fire Sleeve put to test.
In action.
What kind of applications would you use for this sleeve?
So kind of a unique application. Garbage trucks is where we've been very successful. The natural gas garbage trucks. If they catch on fire, they don't want the hydraulic fluid to catch on fire either.
I'm sure that would be a problem.
That would be a major
problem. That would be a problem for sure. Well, Mike, thank you for telling me more about Fire Sleeve. If you'd like to receive a sample or purchase, visit us at pythoncovers.com. We'll see you next time.